It's capsicum rice. To begin, into the hot wok, I'm going to add in the oil, onions and the potatoes, ginger garlic paste, capsicums, the other two colors. Now the moisture is gone. I'm going to add in the boiled peas, little turmeric, then the Vangibath Masala. I'm using the ready ones, and little bit of Garam Masala and salt to taste. Now is the time to add the cooked rice. Now I'm going to squeeze in the lime. In the low flame, I would close the lid and keep it for a minute or two. Finally, the chopped coriander. It's capsicum rice ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Food.